Hey man, how are you doing?
Oh man, you good?
Oh, good
Good to see you. All good?
Good to see you.
How you been?
Amazing.
Yeah?
It's been amazing. I've played some festivals in Germany and also some club shows and produced a lot of new music.
You know, after the whole Sound of Tomorrow competition, do you think it opened doors for you, or it was just a...
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I really had my career out and like getting my name out there and getting my music heard with all the Spotify streams. And
To be honest, I play your remix more than my original. No, you know, so in all fairness,
hey,
you know.
it's a great honor.
Yeah, but I think that's also the cool thing about this competition, you know. I mean, there's a lot of talent out there, but sometimes you just need that little incentive or that little spotlight. Yeah. I have to say I really enjoyed it from the first to the last minute. It was cool to kind of see certain things through, you know, your eyes. It kind of brought me back to when I started out, which I think was really nice, because we did not have competitions like the Sound of Tomorrow competition, you know, when I started out. I did a few DJ competitions and actually won a few as well, but it had hardly any impact.
Yeah, the boat in Ibiza was crazy.
It brought like an extra difficulty
for
to
sure.
it, but still, for us it was really interesting to see how everyone dealt with the different problems that presented. But it was great. It was a really fun day.
Yeah, I think it was very creative, you know. It just added a little bit more spice to the challenge.
Yeah.
The feeling on the main stage, still to this day, I have not fully realized that actually happened. The videos, it's surreal.
Yeah.
I have no words for it, honestly. I'm overwhelmed right now. It's so many feelings going on.
So, would you recommend doing this for anyone else?
For
Do
sure.
you think it's worth it?
For sure. I mean, I would do it all over again if I could, because it was one of the best experiences.
Well, you don't have to because you're famous now. So.
You're kind
You're already there.
Hey.